I have received the parcel. The sum of plugs of the cables is not working. Here I have the 5 plugs, 4 plugs outside, 1 plug inside. As you can see, the first plug is charging. I will show next one. Next one is also charging. Next one is already not charging. As you can see, not charging. The first one not charging. The second one is not charging. The third one is not charging. As you can see, 3 of 5 plugs is not charging. First charging. Not charging. And the last one is charging. So 3 plugs from 5 is not charging, 2 plugs is charging. Here's 2 plugs is charging and 3 plugs not charging.